Hi everybody, this is Natalie. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk to you about a few of my favorite cookbooks, and I might make a weekly series out of this or every other week depending on how much time I have. But I have a lot of older cookbooks, some that are considered vintage. I have some from like the 40s, and then not so many newer ones. I would like to add newer cookbooks to my collection, but it's hard to find things that are tried and true. So I think if you go to Chef Reactions, he has a list of good cookbooks. So I would hit his links if I'm looking for a new cookbook. But anyway, let's get started. So this is the New York Times cookbook. This is the 1990 edition. And I believe this is the first edition where they added a lot of international recipes, but I love this cookbook. This is, if you want to have a dinner party, or if you want that really special meat dish, this is a great cookbook for cooking meats of any kind, and appetizers, sauces, very fine sauces. It has everything in it. So, and they also have a section on canning and preserves. I keep a vegetable garden, so this is nice recipes for some of the vegetables. So, and there are no pictures in this, which is fine. This is from Craig Claiborne. Anything with his name on it, grab it, okay? And a lot of times I will look for these online to give friends. My son in particular, I give him some of the vintage cookbooks because they're just, you just can't compare to them. They're really, really good. So you can kind of see some of the recipes, the format. The instructions are really good. I followed several of these before. There's one on braised short ribs in here that's really good. Aioli, so the sauces. This is perfect. So if you want to up your game or have a dinner party or something gourmet, I'm going to hit this one. This is the one I would get. Just classic and staples in there. Okay, the next one is the Mediterranean, 500 Best Ever Mediterranean Recipes. I absolutely love this book. It's one of my favorites, and I don't cook enough from this one, but I am going to. It's Mediterranean, so a lot of things are heart healthy, lower in fat, and just really tasty too, really good. So this has dishes from Morocco, Spain, Turkey, France, and Italy, and Greece. And the pictures are also nice too. I think most everything has a picture in it, so if you are a visual person, then this will be a good book for you. I first got this at Borders when they were still around. So, but you can see the recipes are really nice. They have paella, moussaka, kebabs, pilaf, vegetable, tart, tatin. Let me see what else. See how they have it segmented in here. Okay, so this is how they have everything segmented here. But this is a really good cookbook too. So these are two of my main ones, okay? I highly recommend both of them. The last book I'm going to talk about today is The Backyard Homestead. I love this book too. I just kind of use this as a handbook. It gives me good ideas when I want to change up my garden a bit. It also works with the size of your acreage. So I'm on 0.33 acres, and you can kind of work with what you got. It can kind of let you know how many animals you can keep, how big of beds you can keep on a third of an acre. And that includes like with the house on here. So I'll show you some things in here. But a lot of great tips, companion planting, things like that. But I just like to, every year before I plan out my garden, I like to just look through this to see maybe I want to change something up and do something differently. So herbs, they have everything here. Also, they have something on making your own wine or making your own beer, making your yogurt or pasta. You know, raising those animals, smoking, and those types of things. So, and making jerky. It's just really, it really is a manual. If you want to be kind of more self-sufficient around the house and what you eat and drink, this is a great companion to have. All right, that's it. If you guys have a favorite book, cookbook, or anything, homesteading, cooking, please leave it in the comments or tag me, whatever, because I would love to check it out. Thanks. You guys have a Happy New Year.